Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I have for you this very glamorous and neutral makeup look. I really love this kind of cut crease because it's a smoky eyes but a cut crease at the same time. So to begin, I'm gonna apply my favorite eyeshadow base, Painterly by MAC, and next I'm gonna use the Warm Neutrals palette by Sigma, and this palette is amazing. This is the number 2, so I'm gonna start off using the lightest shade to highlight the brow bone, and for it I'm gonna use just a normal shader brush. And next I'm gonna apply this brown eyeshadow. This is just for a transition shade, so I'm gonna place this brown eyeshadow in my crease, outer corner, and lower lash line using a big fluffy brush. I'm gonna blend this eyeshadow very well, adding the product a little at a time, and it's pretty as you can see here. So next I'm gonna use an angled brush to apply this dark brown eyeshadow. This is from Artist of Makeup, and I'm gonna concentrate this color in my crease, outer corner, and also in the lower lash line. And next I'm gonna just blend this eyeshadow with the same brush as before. Guys, I'm so sorry about my voice, but I'm still a little sick, but I have to film these videos for you guys to teach you how to do it and to inspire as well. So I'm gonna applying slowly the eyeshadow, and next I'm gonna just cut the crease using the same eyeshadow base as before and another angled brush. Next, to highlight the tear duct area, I'm gonna use the color Sorbet. I really like this gold eyeshadow. Is my favorite to highlight the inner corners because this is so beautiful and very shiny, very sparkly. I really like this color. Is very highlighting as you can see here. And next I'm gonna apply the pink eyeshadow, the shimmery pink eyeshadow from the palette. As you can see, this color is also so beautiful. We'll bring this look to the rosy side, but still keeping the neutral. And that's why I really like it. Next, I'm gonna use this shimmery brown, and I'm gonna place it by beside of the pink eyeshadow that we applied before. And next, I'm gonna apply a dark brown eyeshadow in the outer corner. This is a matte eyeshadow with some pink glitters in the same eyeshadow, and it looks so beautiful. I don't know if you can see here, but in real life this is stunning and I really love this color, but I don't know if in the camera you can see. And then I'm gonna just draw the cut crease lines with this glitter liner. This is Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay, and is one of my favorite glitters as well. I really like the color. And then moving on to my skin, I'm gonna first apply a little bit of the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, and next I'm gonna apply my foundation right on top. Before I apply the foundation, I just do a little massage in my face with my fingers, and now I'm gonna just blend the foundation all over my face with a beauty blender. And make sure to use a damp beauty blender because it gives you a better result in the foundation. And then I'm gonna contour and highlight my face using the Kryolan products, cream products, and also a liquid blush, and this is by Xoxo in the color number 2, I guess, which is the pinkish shade. As you can see, this is very easy to blend, especially when you're using beauty oil before. It makes a perfect application of any product in your skin. So I'm gonna just blend all the products in my face, but I'm gonna be careful because I don't want to blend too much all the products and make the highlights and contours looks like one. You still want to see the shadow and the light in your face. So I just set everything with a translucent powder, and now I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush. This is Justify My Love by Too Faced Cosmetics. And now I'm gonna highlight my face using the Manizer by the Balm. Again, I'm gonna hide this highlighter from me because I am always using this highlighter in myself, in my models, and oh my god. I don't know how I cannot see the ends of the pen yet, but I really like this highlighter. Literally, it's too much. It's a must for me. And to finish this makeup look, I just applied my fake lashes, and now I'm gonna set my face using a setting spray, and this is Leo Day by George Cosmetics in the shade in the fragrance Grapefruit. And next I'm gonna finish off with a lip strobe by Huda Beauty, and this is the color. I'm gonna list down below for you guys because I forgot, I'm sorry. And this is how I finished this look. I really hope that you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching. I really love how the look turned out, so don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell and like this video if you did. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye, take care.